Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Do you want to be part of TikTok's vast live community and start your own stream to share your content with others? In this video, I will show you how to go live on TikTok, whether you have 1,000 followers or not. Let's go. Please note that TikTok Live is only available to you if you are over 18 years old and have not violated any of the platform's community guidelines. To get started, open TikTok. Tap the plus button and scroll to the Live tab. In case the Live button is not available on your end, there are two ways to fix this issue. First, make sure you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your device. Otherwise, please update the application. Updating your app ensures that you always have the latest features, bug fixes, and security updates. To get started, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on your profile in the upper right corner to access your account. Scroll down and here you should see a list of apps that have been updated recently. If an update is available, locate the specific application and click the Update button to update it manually. If the Live button remains unavailable despite updating the app to the latest version, the next solution is to simply report the issue to TikTok so that they can assist and advise you on the right course of action. Before you create a report, take a screenshot of the interface showing that the Live button is unavailable. Then go to your profile dashboard, click on the three-line menu in the top right corner, and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Report a Problem. Tap Live and choose How to Start a Live from the list of topics. Click No to confirm and proceed to the Need More Help section. Describe your concern in the text area. Attach your screenshot and click the Submit button. Once your report is submitted, wait for their response or until the feature is available in your application. To create a live stream directly on your computer, you can use the official live tool for Windows users, the TikTok Live Studio. Unfortunately, please note that this is not yet available on macOS as of recording. For your reference, click on the tag in the upper right corner or find the link in the description box below. Download the app and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your computer. After installation, sign into your TikTok account before using the tool. Click the Edit button to set up the details of your live stream, such as its title header. Then set up your live streaming screen in the dashboard. To broadcast your Windows screen live, press the Add Full Screen button embedded in the panel. You can even cast from your Android or iOS device. Both casting modes on either device can be done over a wired or wireless connection depending on your preference. Now let's create a live while playing a game from your mobile device. To get started, click Cast and choose your preferred connection. Follow the on-screen instructions on your mobile to confirm the connection and click Add Source to start casting. After successfully mirroring your screen, launch your chosen app and start playing. In the Live Studio dashboard, make sure both the system audio and microphone are unmuted to capture both internal and external audio respectively. When everything is set up, click the Go Live button. Once you're live, you can interact with your viewers in real time in the live chat panel. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.